push, girl. That's what I'm talking about. Breathe, breathe. Good. One more. You gotta breathe. See how we don't take a whole lot of time in between our sets? We do not take a lot of time in between our reps. We do more HIIT training. It don't take all day. That's how we in and out the gym, 45 minutes to an hour. If you're in the gym for an hour and a half, you ain't working out, you looking for a date. Ain't no walking to the water fountain, coming back. No, we right to the next one. If you're gonna notice, most of our sets take 2 minutes at the most. She done a couple sets, so she a little fatigued, and the weight is heavy. Those 45-pound presses, 25-pound flies, 50-pound pullovers. Good. You gotta breathe when you pull it over. Breathe out when you pull it over. Over, out. There you go. Good. A lot of people like to hold their breath. You think it make you stronger, but it's actually making you weaker. It takes oxygen and can make the muscles move. This is the one most women hate the most, the push-ups. See how she have her elbows flying straight out to the side? She more into a W than to a T. That's what we teach. A T is going to tear your shoulders up, mess up your front deltoids. So we try to keep it a W for the win. And we're going to do 4 sets of this right here. This is her second set, and she is fatigued.